Project 3, Task 1. For the entire document, set paragraph pagination to keep lines together. For the entire document, set paragraph pagination to keep lines together. Okay, to do this, you click on the Home tab, and in the paragraph group, you select the paragraph settings dialog box launcher, and here in the line and page breaks, you select keep lines together, keep lines together, keep lines together. Okay, that is done. So just press enter to close the dialog box. Okay, that is done. Task 1, mark completed. Task 2, modify the intense emphasis style to set the font color to red accent 5 and the font size to 11 points. Modify the intense emphasis style to set the font color to red accent 5 and the font size to 11 points. Okay, to do this, just go to the Home tab. In the Styles group, you select the More here, then the Intense Emphasis. Right click on Intense Emphasis and select Modify. So right here in the Modifies dialog box that open, you select red accent 5, then font color. Font color is red accent 5, then font size 11 points. So change this to 11 points, 11, then the color to red accent 5. Okay, that is done. So you click OK here. Then task 2, mark complete. Task 3, beneath the index heading, insert a default index. Beneath the index heading, insert a default index. So just go down to the index heading. You just click the index heading, Okay, so beneath it, just insert a default index. Okay, you go to the References tab. Then in the Index group, you select Insert Index. Okay, so here you click OK. Accept all default settings. Okay. Then task 3, mark completed. Then task 4, beneath the table of figures heading, insert a default table of figures. Beneath the table of figures heading, insert a default table of figures. Okay, go below the table of figures heading right here. So select the References tab and insert table of figures in the Captions group. Insert table of figures. Okay, so accept all default settings and okay, insert table of figure. Okay, just ensure other general area figure. Okay, so figure is ready there, so you click OK. Okay, that is done. Task 4, mark complete. Now task 5, beneath the image on the cover page, modify the date field to display the date as month, name, date, year. Okay, in this format. So beneath the image on the cover page, modify the date field to display the date as month, date, month, name, date, month name, date, and year. So in this format, so you go to the image on the cover page, you scroll up to the cover page. Okay, so beneath it, you have a date field here. So right click to modify, then you select edit field. Okay, so right here you select the format that tallies with this. So this shows this, and okay, month, day, then year. Okay, so this is the format. It corresponds with the given format here. Okay, now click OK. That is done. So task 5, mark completed. Then grade project. correct.